welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ebony and I post weekly videos on bullet journal, productivity and lifestyle. In today's video, I am going to be setting up some self-care spreads in my bullet journal. So for the first spread, I thought I would try a different take on a gratitude spread rather than doing it monthly, so including it in your monthly spreads and having it numbered for the days and then writing something in each day. I thought I would just make this a generic gratitude spread with spots to write in whenever you feel like it. So it could be more than one time on one day, it could be once a week, it could be once a month, whatever suits you. Self-care spread I thought would be a fun idea is self-care bingo. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You just cross off each task as you complete them, and you can try and go for the traditional bingo where you get the 5 in a row, or you can just try and complete as many as you can in a month, or just whenever you feel like you need some sort of self-care. As it is a bit hard to read all of the self-care bingo items I've included on my spread, I'll list them in the description box below, and I've also created a free printable self-care bingo for you that you can print out and paste into your bullet journal to save you setting up this spread if you would like it, so I'll leave that link in the description box below as well. Next up, I'm setting up a positive affirmations spread. I feel like this is something that I definitely need to include more in my life. Rather than talking down to myself, I need to be more positive and understanding, and I think that would definitely help with my mindset, so I thought I would include that spread as well. So the affirmations I included in my spread are: all that I seek is already within me. I am a unique, beautiful soul. I love myself just the way I am. I am my own superhero. I am adventurous. I overcome fears by following my dreams. I don't sweat the small stuff. I can, I will. End of story. I am in charge of how I feel today, and today I am choosing happiness. So the last self-care spread I am including in today's video is a self-care menu. So I figured this would be a really great spread to have just to refer back to whenever you feel like you need a little bit of self-care in your life. And obviously you could customize this to suit yourself and your own hobbies and what you feel like you would need in a self-care moment. But for me, I included drink tea, go outside, move your body, listen to music, read or play Animal Crossing because I'm pretty obsessed with that game. little flip through of the final spreads. Thank you for watching my self-care bullet journal spreads video. I hope you found this helpful and that whenever you need a little bit of self-care in your life, you now have something to refer back to. Don't forget, if you liked this video, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks!